The one thing that I do tell people is I actually believe manufacturing, B2B manufacturing, B2B services are actually way ahead of the game when it comes to AI. I think they're the ones, for as much as they did embrace the digital age, which they did, and I know a lot of them will say they did stuff, and they did, but I would get 15 B2C calls to every one B2B call when I was doing SEO and so forth, because they were relying on the old school sales and so forth, which really does work. But this is an era where B2B is clearly leading the way. Everything does come down to lean manufacturing. How quick can we get this output? And that is where AI really excels. It's like, okay, so we have this one process that's quicker, but what if we went all the way back to the beginning to where the process begins? And if you let it run through, let AI run through, or listen to all the voices working on this process and say, well, what if we reroute it and fix this process? So I think people who have, who are lean process, who are in that, and I actually have my cousin I'm very close with, this is what he does. AI is going to absolutely amplify and revolutionize his job. And I know that's something he's working and using it right now. So we just try to get manufacturing and B2B people to understand, like, look, yes, it's going to improve ROI. Yes, it could make you even more lean and so forth and everything else. But you also want to kind of go in and it may revolutionize the way you're doing things altogether. Predictive modeling, and it may say, look at things this way and that way that you might have never in a million years thought of.